All right, folks, today we are going to flush the steering fluid and change the reservoir, which is also the steering filter. All right, let's get to it. All right, folks, this is what we're going to use for the steering flush. This is the reservoir we're going to replace. The filter is inside the reservoir. Not too many people know about it. It does have a filter and it's inside. In order to do that, you have to replace the whole entire thing. This is the power steering fluid that we're going to be using, CHF 11S. And I might need this pump to pump some of the fluids out and the funnels to put the fluid in. So let's get to it. All right, folks, the first thing that you have to do is take the right hand side air filter out, and this will give you plenty of space to unhook the hoses and the power steering fluid reservoir, which is this one right here. So let's take this out first. $10mm, folks. The most common nut in this car. Magnet. It helps. All right. So this is out. Check it out, folks. We have plenty of space. Look at this. It's nice and clean. Nice and clean. It's going to be cleaner. All right. So next thing to do, I'm going to get under the car, unplug this hose from the power steering pump, and let it drain. So I'm going to go under the car and unplug the hose and let it drain. All right, folks. So what I did, I unloosened this clamp here and I unplugged this hose from the power steering, and this hose goes directly to the reservoir. So there is fluid coming down from the power steering and obviously all the fluid from the reservoir too as well. So when I put the new fluid in, it's probably going to be a 90 or a 90+% flush. It's not going to be 100%, but it's mostly in. And the reason why is there's still fluid going through these lines right here to cool the steering fluid that goes into the radiator. So there's some fluid there as well. All right, folks, we went ahead and drained the power and steering fluid from underneath by unhooking it from the pump. Now we just going to take the hoses out from the reservoir and put the new reservoir in. Now we're putting back the hoses on the new reservoir. I already put the one in the bottom. Now I'm going to try to push the one on top, and let's see how simple this is going to be. Okay.
Houston, we have a problem.
It's not going in, folks.
Spread a little oil on that.
That's exactly what I'm going to do. Now I have it everywhere. Ew. Folks, it's in. Now let's tighten the clamps. You need to make sure that it's tight, but not tight too much, so you can break the clamp. You don't want steering fluid leaking anywhere, that's for sure. So I think that's good enough. Now, let's tighten the clamp here, put some fluid, and we are done. Well, not done, almost done. And of course,
so that goes in pretty simple.
so it is. All right, folks. There it goes. All done and complete. Let's put some oil, some power steering fluid, and next start the car and move the steering, the wheels to the left and to the right till all the air comes out. Okay. All right. I'm not gonna use a funnel, and if it drips, you know, give me a funnel. This is just gonna drip, man. Just give me a funnel. All right. Funnel. Use a funnel, guys.
You did have air come out, so it bubbled up.
It's still coming out?
No, it's not. There's no change.
Nothing. Did it go down?
Well, it went down, came up, and it went down a little bit, but you might need to add a little. But no bubbles.
No bubbles?
Yeah.
More?
No more bubbles.
No more bubbles. I'm going to check the level now and see if it's good. Yeah, I think it's more than it should, but we are good with steering fluid. All right, so the steering fluid done, the reservoir done. Now I need to put the air filter housing and air filter, and this project is done. So let me put it all together and see if it works. All right, folks, everything is back together. I went ahead and put together the air filter and the power steering reservoir dash filter install, fluids install. I'm gonna start it one more time, drive it, and that should be it. Thank you for joining. Please join and like. Help!
So close. My... this stupid thing's recording my face too.
Are you kidding me?
No.
What are you doing? What are you doing here? I'm the star in the picture.
Oh,